Hi my friends, it's me Super Diyas. Today I get up at 9 o'clock. Let's start today's vlog. Today's vlog is about films. And today we will go to the cinema with my friends. We don't know which movie we are going to, but I want to watch some comedies. Write to the comments below about your favorite type of films and its names. So let's go to the bathroom where I'm going to wash my face and brush my teeth. Also, I like watering plants. Friends, this is my sister.
Hello.
She's preparing my breakfast.
Yes, today's meal is milk porridge with apples. This is very healthy.
It's very yummy. Delicious. Thank you, sister.
Bon appetit. Okay, Diyas, I have a headache and I would like to sleep a little bit. Keep eating your meal, okay?
Okay. Friends, I know how to help to my sister. Yesterday we learned about home remedies in English lesson, and I have remembered about remedies at home. We will help to my sister. Find some lemon inside the fridge. First we need to wash our hands carefully. Boil some water. Lemon. Hot water. Be careful. Okay, let's go to the sister's room. How are you?
So.
I have prepared this remedy for you.
Oh, okay.
Lemon is a great ingredient to treat headache because it's refreshing and relaxing.
Oh, you're so kind, brother.
Yes, you can sleep for a minute and I'm sure you'll feel better.
This is very good and I feel how my mind is refreshing now. Thank you.
Goodbye. Hello, Yarasul. How are you? Yes, I'm coming. Goodbye, friends. See you on the next video.